Dr. Hazare Singhal. I've been part of HCLTech for more than 10 years now, and we recently got this opportunity to collaborate with DBS to launch various specialization programs like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and cybersecurity.
My name is Ravi Balyan and I am from BTech. I have a specialization in AI and ML, which totally aligns with the design thinking. So DBS Global University and HCLTech had a collaboration through which we get a huge opportunity to learn design thinking. So what is design thinking? A design thinking is a proper systematic approach from where we scope a problem, we interview the audience, and through which we all brainstorming part, ideation part, and we create a solution for the audience. Through and the last we test the product, and through the feedbacks we improve the product.
We not only just sit and listen, we brainstorm, develop ideas and test those ideas and even fail with every step which takes us to try more harder. This session has made me realize that we cannot conquer a problem easily and we need collaborating and brainstorming a lot to cover them up. This session has made me more open-minded and unafraid to risk the future. Thank you.